Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel. Today I have another box that I got like maybe I think about 4 days ago, and I want to get into it and show you what I purchased. I made this order about 7 or 8 months ago from Raintree Nursery. I know they're doing some yard work, so I'm gonna try to be a little loud so you can hear what I got to say. So before I get into that, which I'm extremely excited for this box. I'm always excited when I'm getting fruit trees. All right, so I'm gonna talk to you about a good thing. At my job, we always do start out our meetings with good things, and this is a super duper great thing that I can't believe that happened, and I want to share that with you. All right, about 4 days ago, I went fishing. I'm a big time fisherman. Maybe I might do a video and show you how I catch my fish, because I actually use the fish scraps in my garden. Works tremendous, but that's not what we're talking about. But I went fishing, and I didn't know that one of my fishing rods fell out my boat when I was driving back home. And a good Samaritan picked up my fishing rod. They had to cut the line. I don't know what happened, how the rod fell out, but they cut the rod and they followed me down the road, and I was just about to turn into my home. And then so when I parked my my truck, they were right behind me, and they said, "Hey, you know, you dropped your fishing rod." I said, "What?" So I'm still amazed that they followed me and were able to get it and just not get damaged. And I don't know if the guy was a big time fisherman or not, but this reel by itself cost over $140. The rod cost $100. So this is a $240 combo, which I was so appreciative, and I thank them greatly for bringing my rod back to me. I just couldn't believe it. All right, so and I caught like 9 fish off this fishing rod, but that's my good thing, and I'm glad that that person decided to follow me, because they could have had a $240 reel. All right, so that was extremely exciting, great news. All right, now back to my box. All right, I said I got this from Raintree, so nursery. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see all the goodies that I have in here. And you may decide there may be something in here that you may want to put in your food forest or in your garden. All right, so I know what this is. These are my strawberry crowns, and I'm gonna do another video on how to put the crowns in. And I'm not gonna let these produce any fruit this year, because I'm gonna grow more strawberry plants with these, like I did with my ones last year. And that was a hard thing to do, popping off the flowers, but now I got so many more, and I can't wait to have the strawberries this year. All right, now I like Raintree Nursery. They make sure that they package it nice and neat, and you have all the little labels on the tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to lay this down. I don't want to damage anything, so bear with me. This is just like Christmas as a kid. Well, it's Christmas now, because I like seeing my kids open their gifts and have a fun time. All right, so let me make sure I get into it properly. All right, and I think this is gonna bring my total to like 21 fruit trees, because I planted some last year, and I used Raintree Nursery then. But I also just did a video. I haven't posted it. I did the video probably about maybe sometime in January, and I kept saying I'm gonna get that video out. So probably gonna see 2 unboxing of my fruit trees. Been very busy. I'm gonna give you a little spoiler. A lot of these trees are Asian pear trees. I love the way they taste. I can hardly find Asian pears at the store anymore. Maybe I need to go to probably need to go to the Asian store and see if they have them, because they probably do, most likely. And before I take all this off, the nursery, Raintree, they do an awesome job of packaging, and you get a lot of this, the cutting, well, not cuttings, but you get the newspaper shreddings, and you can use this in your compost. I'm gonna try to make sure I don't get it all out on my food forest. All right. And after I finish with the video, I already have my rainwater in the container. I'm gonna go ahead and let these soak for I'll probably do about an hour, and then I want to go ahead and start getting my trees in the ground. So let me clip one more thing, and we'll be good to go. Oh, I love it. All right. This right here is a Shinseki Asian pear tree. All right, looks good. And I'm gonna always inspect the roots to make sure they're not damaged, because I did have in my other box, it didn't come from Raintree, but one of my trees were damaged, the root. So I contacted the company, and they gave me another tree, which I thought was pretty nice. And these trees, they do cost pretty, they pretty up there in cost. I know Raintree went up a lot from last year, so that's why I want to make sure that everything's good. Look at the roots on that. All right, and I definitely need to get them in the water. See what this is. All right, this is an Asian plum tree. I got to try to find out what the name of that one is. Toka. All right, I saw it. I was about to get nervous because I know I had another plum tree, so I had to get to the bottom of that. Oh, be gentle, bear. I'm trying to be a gentle bear. I don't know. This is another Asian pear tree. Ichiban. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I should know all of it, because I studied a martial art that comes from over the same area. All right, this is another Asian pear tree. This is a Suri Asian pear tree. All right, check the roots, and make sure when you get your trees, you probably know this, but if you are first time purchaser, then you want to make sure that you check the roots on it, because that was the problem with my other box. Ready Robin. Alright, this is another Asian pear tree. I told you I love Asian pear trees, so I want to make sure that I get them all in, so then I don't have to go looking for them. I can just come in my backyard. I know where they at. Uh-oh. Man. This is a beauty plum, Asian plum tree. The roots is cracked. So I am going to have to send them a short video of that, and see if that's going to harm my actual success, because I don't like that. Like I said, man, I probably shouldn't have said anything about it, about a crack. I don't know why, man, but I guess that happens. So I am going to, maybe I can shave it down, but I am definitely gonna get on the phone and call them today and shoot them a video from my cell phone. All right, this one is a Shinsui Asian pear tree, and this is a contender peach. All right, now I got to count. 1, 2, no, that's it. I got it. Oh, I don't know about, when I saw the cracked root. This is the beauty plum tree. It's another Asian, it's an Asian plum. But yeah, so that's why it's always good to check your trees out to make sure that everything's good to go. All right, but all in all, I'm gonna go ahead and soak these, and probably, I ain't gonna take it no lie, I'm probably gonna go ahead and call the nursery and see if they want me to shoot them a small video of my root of that tree, and then we'll go from there, and hopefully everything will be good. I'm hoping that that tree will do what it needs to do to make sure that it grows and I can have lots of fruit coming from it. But I want to make sure I protect my investment, and I definitely will be giving them a call like right after this video. You can believe it. All right, but I just wanted to show you the trees that I got, and the strawberries that you probably will see a video of how I plant some of these. I won't bore you with planting every single one because there's 25 crowns in here. I'm probably going to put this in my refrigerator for right now, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this planted today, but I have to try to hurry up and get that in. But thanks for coming to my channel, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again later.